Mindfulness isn't what you think. It's not clearing your mind. It's noticing it without getting pulled in. Most of the time, your thoughts are running you, replaying, planning, reacting, noise, chaos, stress. Mindfulness breaks that cycle. Short mindfulness practices, such as meditation, breathing, visualization, and journaling, can help you slow down, bring your attention back to the present moment, and create a sense of calm and clarity in your day. Breathing calms the body. Meditation clears the mind. Visualization directs your thoughts. Affirmations strengthen your beliefs. Journaling anchors your reflections into reality. Together, they form a conscious habit you can step into daily. Your daily flow for renewal that is short and powerful. Let's try one now. Inhale, slow, deep, hold. Exhale, longer. And just notice your breath, your body, the space between thoughts. That moment right there, that's mindfulness. Not control, awareness. And awareness changes everything. Big secret life. See it